Good evening, Map here, Map Investments. Sunday night, 10:30. Wanted to let you know that the futures open up at 6 p.m. Futures are 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. They open at 6 p.m. and they close at 5 p.m. and then they reopen at 6 p.m. closed Saturday, and they open on Sunday at 6, and Friday they close at 5 p.m. So they close Friday at 5 and they open up again at 6, and they don't stop till Friday 5 p.m. the following week. So here in the no, this is actually the Thinkorswim mobile app. They have you go to watch list and you pick, they have a public list and the watch list, and you pick futures, and here are all the futures. So all the sixes at the beginning are currencies. So 6A is Australian dollar, the pound is the next one, the Canadian loonie, the euro, the Japanese yen, the Mexican peso, the New Zealand dollar, the Swiss franc, and then Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up 300, approaching 20,000. So you Forex traders, you can also trade futures. Futures have currencies. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 currencies you can trade there. Let's see what the dollar's doing. The dollar is up a little bit. The dollar's been hammered, and the dollar's I think I heard today the dollar's down 8% year to date, and I think the dollar will continue. You might get a little bump up here because it's been oversold big time, but I think the dollar is in a downtrend, and we're in for some trouble in regards to inflation. That's what the metals are saying. BTC is Bitcoin. CL is oil, so $46 a barrel for oil, down 23 cents. These products trade 23, 5 days a week, 23 hours a day. And if you don't know how to use them, do more research at Tasty Work. They have a lot of archives on how to trade futures. They're highly leveraged products. Some of these contracts can be pretty heavy. The S&P is down here, which is the /ES, is down 850. Gold is up 80 cents, which is GC. Then you have feeder cattles. You have everything. This is what moves the world. You have HE, which is hogs. HG is copper. Copper's been on a tear. It was under 3, now it's at 350. You have heating oil, coffee, but you have to have an ICE exchange membership. I don't do that. Lumber, live cattle, M2K, trade this a lot. It's a small cap. I trade that a lot. I trade the MES, which is the S&P. I trade a lot the MGC. You can see it has flags on them, so I have positions on them. If they're red, it's because I'm betting them for them to go down. If they're green, it's for them to go up. So I'm basically short all the indexes pretty much right now. I'm short the British pound. I'm long gold. Natural gas is NG. NASDAQ is NQ. It's down 750. Natural gas is down. PA and PL are metals. PA is palladium. PL is platinum. QG is a smaller natural gas. I'm in that. And QM is a smaller oil product. And then you have RUT. The RUT is the small caps, but the bigger contract. Then you have silver. 2 silver contracts. I do the small one. Then you have the VIX, the volatility. And then you come into, these are smaller products here, which you can buy corn, you can buy soybean, you can buy wheat. Then you got the Dow Jones, this is YM, down 75 points. And then you get into some of the interest rates, 5-year U.S. Treasury. Then you got the 10-year note, which is ZN, which I have it to go up think interest rates might be going down a little bit. They've gone up a little bit too fast. And ZB is the 30-year bond. So there's a little overview on the futures. These futures are what move the world and price the markets on a constant basis. I hope you find the video informative. I do scalp some futures here and there, but I mainly use the index futures to hedge my portfolio constantly and manage my deltas in my portfolio. I'm always I always bait away my portfolio. Make sure I'm not too overextended with too many deltas for the upside or deltas to the downside. So I use these futures to balance it out. And I can get into more of that in future videos. But like I said, there's a lot of good content and research at Tastyworks. I always recommend going through the archives and learning from them, as I did 3 or 4 years. It took some time, and it can be very rewarding. So I hope you find the video helpful. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a good night.